Welcome to the Algoma University Brampton campus. I'm Taylor Nicey, an enrollment specialist, and today your personal tour guide. I'm recording this presentation from our Brampton campus that is situated on the traditional territory of the Anishinaabe, Huron-Wendat, Haudenosaunee, Ojibwe, and Chippewa peoples, the land that is home to the Métis and most recently the territory of the Mississaugas of the Credit First Nation, who are direct descendants of the Mississaugas of the Credit. Algoma University is built on community. We are a student-centered university offering a unique experience at each of our 3 diverse and growing campuses, located in Sault Ste. Marie, Brampton, and Timmins. We are committed to cultivating cross-cultural learning, and wherever you choose to study, we promise you'll find your home away from home. Today, I'll be sharing with you all that our newly renovated Brampton campus has to offer. Algoma University offers a student-to-faculty ratio of 14:1 and an average class size of only 28 students. So what does this mean for you? Beginning in year 1, your professors will get to know you, support you, and provide you with opportunities beyond the classroom. This means that we guarantee a hands-on, personalized student experience, fully immersed in both the campus and the local community. Our updated campus is equipped with new technology and furniture that is easy to move around to promote classroom discussion and collaboration. Our growing School of Computer Science and Technology here in Brampton offers a 3-year and 4-year bachelor degrees in computer science with options to complete your studies entirely online. And for those of you who have previous post-secondary education, we also offer an accelerated program that allows you to obtain your computer science degree in as little as 12 months. Graduates of our computer science programs have gone on to work as video game developers, system architects, mobile application developers, or web developers, just to name a few. Our School of Business and Economics, known to Algoma U students as School BE, is strongly connected to the community here in Brampton and offers hands-on bachelor's degrees in marketing, accounting, human resource management, and finance and economics. New this year, we are also offering a specialization in aviation management, including the Aviation Management Professional Program and the Aviation Management Certificate. This is in partnership with Flight 6, a private career college with 2 airports located in Ontario and 13 aircrafts dedicated to Algoma U students. In addition to offering our degree programs in business, computer science, and psychology, Brampton students have access to many elective courses offered at the university, including courses in community economic and social development, sociology, Anishinaabe studies, and Anishinaabe-Moan. Interested in getting real-world paid work experience in the field of your study before graduating? All students have the opportunity to participate in our co-op program, with exclusive access to job postings and career development workshops to help you fast-track your career and finance your education all at the same time. At Algoma, learning extends beyond the classroom. You'll have access to built-in experiential learning opportunities and a tight-knit community to help support you on your educational journey. Whether you're meeting up with friends in between classes, taking a quiet study break, or working on a group project, you'll have access to bookable meeting rooms and convenient lounge spaces located throughout campus. One of our favorite spots is the 6th floor lounge area with great views of downtown Brampton. Not to mention our brand new student center located in 8 Queen. This space was designed with student feedback, and our goal here was to create a space that allows students to hang out and relax in between classes. Getting around Brampton, as well as to and from the city of Toronto, is super accessible. With our campus located only a 6-minute walk from the Brampton GO station and downtown Brampton bus terminal, you'll be able to explore all of the GTA and get to and from your house with ease. Looking for a place to live? Algoma has partnered with the Canada Homestay Network to provide our students more access to off-campus housing within Brampton, as well as additional housing resources and support. I hope you enjoyed what you've seen of campus so far, and I encourage you to reach out to book your own live campus tour. We're always here to chat with you about how joining the Algoma University community may be a good fit for you, so please don't be shy. Connect with an enrollment specialist anytime by emailing info@algomau.ca or visit our Future Students page for information on upcoming events year-round. Algoma University, Brampton campus. The world is next.